Hello. How you doing? Welcome back. I think we can start right now. There's no reason not to. Hold on. Oh, 1 second. I don't even started my lights. Hold on just a minute. Be right back. Okay, let's get going. Let's see how this looks. Whoop. I think it looks good. All right. Yeah, that would have been an awkward situation. I didn't have any of my lights turned on and it was just shitty lighting. Didn't even notice. How's everyone doing? I hope you're doing good. Halfway there. Almost through the week. Oh, this camera is always out of frame. No, not there. You can always see kind of like the corner. I think that's good. Kind of too much into this side. Should be more into like this. Maybe I should move it. Let me see. I feel like I'm way too much in the front. Let me make just some adjustment. You're gonna see a little corner over there. Little behind the scenes. It's kind of tight. Alright, let me just hide this. That's ugly. I'm gonna move the screen. Hold on. Okay, let me see how that looks. Nope, that's still ugly. 1 sec. I'm gonna leave it on so I can see it. All right. Much better. Music should be coming through. I can't hear it because if I set it so I can't hear it, it's gonna sound twice on your end, and that's ugly. So, it should be going on. Let me know if it's not, or if it's too loud. I'm kind of doing the whole thing again. Boy. Just that little squat and I'm out of breath. Wow. Okay. I should tell you a little bit about my physical condition. Whew. Okay. So, we're gonna fiddle around with the WebSockets today. And also, I'm gonna pitch another idea that I have. Kind of continuing this process of adding stuff to the stream quietly. Hi Eduardo, how you doing? Long time no see as well. Yeah, I was out for a week, not by choice. Let me see if I can put it a little bit more strong. Maybe like that. Something like that. It's going to... Yeah, maybe like that. Yeah, I was... Oh, you haven't been here for a month. Yeah, that's that too. Yeah. Always missed. But yeah, at least last week, on my end, I kind of had to skip 2 streams in a row. I already had to just finishing a thing in the game. Okay, cool, no problem. Always good to have you here, even for a minute. And in a game, are you making a game, or you working on a game, playing a game? Playing a game? What are you playing? Please share with the class. Almost, yeah. I have a little, couple of things that I want to finish. I'm doing an experiment today, like fiddling with Elite Dangerous. I haven't played that one. That's the sniper one, isn't it? Never played that one. And it isn't? Space Simulator? Oh, I was thinking about another game. Elite Dangerous. Oh, okay, yeah, I know now. Yeah, never played that one either. I don't know why I didn't. The fact that you don't get off the ship and you're just on your ship the whole time didn't kind of call to me. Am I off again? One sec. Because now I have 2 different games in my hand. What the hell? Hold on. I am confused. Oh, there's a spring sale. This is the one I was thinking about. Sniper Elite. Elite Dangerous. So you can't get off the ship now? Wow, I really didn't pay attention to that. And it's 70% off right now. Why is this sound not coming from where it should be? Hold on. Gotta change the sound output in this one, like that. Is it like a kind of MMO thing? I've never played this. Massively multiplayer. Yes, it is an MMO. Steep learning curve and it's grindy. I don't know if I can commit to that right now. I'll add it to my wish list. Maybe it'll go on offer some other time. It has VR support. It looks really cool. Yeah, I'll put it on my wish list and play it again sometime. Oh, by the way, let me show you something. Hold on. Because today I'm playing games too. Check this out. Hold up. Wait. Oh, we're on an ad break. That's cool. I'm playing games later on. I'm actually playing Blasphemous 2 on my Switch. That should be gone now. I finally got a capture card, So first I do some coding in the stream, and then I switch to playing games at the end, which is really fun. Come on, go back. There you go. But yeah, the panel is kind of taking a different form now. Like, it's kind of evolving as I'm making it. Right now I'm trying to make an experiment to see if I can, instead of using webhooks with Twitch, I'm trying to see if I can use WebSockets instead. I got like halfway on Monday, and today I'm gonna see if I can make a subscription to the TTS reward on Twitch using WebSockets, which will free me from having to have a WebSocket, like a webhook public endpoint on the internet. So I wouldn't need any hosting at that point. I can just work locally, and that'll be a lot better. Yeah, it's a combination of, right now it's the WebSocket connection is made via JavaScript, but I can then use JavaScript to call events on Livewire. So it's gonna be, it wasn't really that hard, to be honest. Like, I can connect to Twitch. I can make a connection to the WebSocket on Twitch, and then the subscription has to happen. I just need to figure out you need to have what's it called? The access token. So the access token has to be a user access token and not an app access token, which means that I already have an app access token, a user access token saved on my account, on the database, because I already figured out the whole authentication with Twitch and OAuth authentication. So I have both the access token and the refresh token. So right now I just have to figure out how to refresh the token just to refresh the access token, and then send that back to the client JavaScript code. You are connecting via JavaScript, not PHP. You just said so. Yeah, I mean, did I say PHP? Well, basically it's the functionality that the way that I react to the events is going to be the same. Everything is in Livewire and PHP. It's just the connection to subscribe to the event that is in JavaScript. But with JavaScript I have Livewire, so with Livewire I have PHP. So transitive properties. Let me move the camera a little bit. It's a little off axis. There. That's not good. But yeah, I'm trying to do that today, see if I can get that done. But since I have a capture card now, I made some big changes on my stream setup, because now my streaming PC, I'm actually streaming from my Windows PC, which is this one right here. And with my Windows PC streaming, I can, not impossible, but not simple either, probably. You'd be surprised, actually, how simpler it is than using WebSockets. I'm sorry, webhooks. You just call an endpoint, and then when you call that endpoint, Twitch says, hello, this is your session ID. And then you use that session ID to subscribe to, you have 10 seconds to subscribe to some kind of event. And the only thing that you have to send to that subscription is your session ID and your access token, and that's it. And then every event that happens comes through the WebSocket, and you just have to create three different callbacks for the notification, for errors, and for messages, something like that. It's actually deceptively simpler than working with webhooks, and you don't have to host your webhook. That's the thing. I'm not running long processes on PHP. Yeah, that's the thing. PHP is not making the connection. It's JavaScript. When I load, for example, I'm putting the JavaScript code that makes the WebSocket connection in the overlay page that I already have that shows different events. So on that page, I just load a simple simple JavaScript code that makes the connection, that makes the WebSocket connection. And that code, it's constantly running. Whenever I get an event or a notification via WebSocket, I can just call a Livewire function of some kind, and that Livewire function will then take care of raising an event and broadcasting it and putting it in the queue, etc. So yeah, I know that PHP, I tried to do it with PHP, did not work. So yeah, it needs a certain library to run long processes, and yeah, I didn't like the flow of creating a connection, a WebSocket connection within PHP. I did not like it, so I switched to JavaScript instead. Actually, let me show you. Less words, more code. I know what I'm saying this whole time. You are not creating the WebSocket connection in PHP. You are leveraging JavaScript, which is fine. But was forecasting that doing that in PHP might have been that hard. It was actually. Yes, you're totally right. Yeah, confirmed. Actually, yes. I tried it, did not like it, did not work. Tried it with JavaScript, was incredibly simple. So yeah, this is the whole code. I just have a function, a synchronous function, connect with socket, just calls this URL, and when you get a message, you create an on message callback, an on open callback, and then an on close callback if you want to do some reconnection, and on error. And then on message, you just have to decide, is this a session welcome? If it is, you get the session ID and save it. And if it is a notification, then I have another function to handle the reward redemption with the event. Also, there is a subscribe to rewards, which does this call. It's just an Axios post. It's similar to what I was doing with web hooks, but just changing the transport method, basically. And once that's done, you get message events, and if it is a notification, that you handle it like every other. You handle the actual event. Like in this case, it's a reward redemption. I'm not doing anything right now on that one. Where is it? I don't even have the function yet. But yeah, it's very, very simple. And the only problem that I run into last time is that the web token, I'm just using this route within my application to retrieve the token from the user session. Working with WebSocket in PHP is not easy. I made it work even without the special libraries, but it was messy. Yeah, I played with React PHP too, but I don't know. Yeah, I didn't like it either. I didn't like it either. That's how Discord bots work too. Oh, I see. I've been running one for years at this point. It was a fun exercise. I see. Yeah, once I'm done with this exercise and I get to work, I make it work with Twitch. I was saying that now that I'm streaming on my Windows PC and just working off my Mac. And the benefit of that is that now I have this little guy. Something that I didn't have before because I was not on Windows. So I now have StreamerBot. And with StreamerBot, I have the whole TTS system out of the box. In fact, it is actually working right now. If you just do !say or !s on chat and type a message, it will be spoken. So I have TTS running for both YouTube and Twitch right now. So what I'm thinking after I'm done with this is leveraging this, because I know that StreamerBot has a WebSocket server. So maybe I was thinking that now that I know how to work with WebSockets with JavaScript, I can maybe connect to...
Edvardo said, so chat, so you like saying naughty words?
You'd rather not. But yeah, that's working. I wonder if it's working on YouTube too. I created the action, I don't know. Let me try it.
Tuto1902 said test message.
Yeah, it's working on YouTube too. Awesome. It is so annoying to test things on YouTube chat because the chat does not work if you're offline. You have to be online for testing things, which is so annoying. But yeah, I have TTS now for free. Working for both YouTube and Twitch. Yeah, I still have to get that done. I didn't have time to get the chat overlay on the new streaming setup. But I'll get it working for this Friday. Yeah, that's the only thing I did not have time to finish. But everything else, just working fine. So yeah, that opens up many possibilities. So I'm thinking, just so I don't waste the overlay code that I already have and the design and everything else, maybe I can just work off the WebSocket server that is provided with StreamerBot and then use the variables that are passed through to talk to Twitch for a little bit or talk to YouTube and get avatars and messages and just show overlays for everything using my overlay pop-up. Wasn't the TTS panel project specifically because you didn't want to use StreamerBot? No, it wasn't because I couldn't use StreamerBot. Not because I didn't want it, it's because I just couldn't. But in the time frame that I was building it, suddenly the capture card that I wanted became available in my region. It was sold out. It had been sold out for like 6 months at that point. And so I was forced to use my Mac as my streaming setup. From my Mac, I was streaming and I was doing everything. So yeah, it became available. I bought it immediately, waited for a couple of weeks, and now I have it. Now that I have StreamerBot, I might as well use it, you know? Just throw money at it. Yeah, well, what you gonna do? If I'm doing this, I might as well just throw a little money on it, you know? Make a few investments. And that also opened the possibility for me to tap into my other hobby, which is playing games. And just playing them on stream. At the end of the stream, just sit back, relax, play some games, either on my PC, on my Switch, or my PlayStation 5. So it's a lot more fun that way. But yeah, now that I have this route, I just need to create a new route for when the access token is expired. So when you get to this section here, to the connect WebSocket, actually not to the subscribe rewards, that's the one that uses the access token. When this replies with a 401 response, then I need to go and say and tell PHP to use the refresh token to get a new user access token, and then do a retry on this post here. And once that's done, I can then work on the rest of the pipeline. Just so I have something working, I have the code for it if I ever want to use it again. And yeah, I can then move on to do experiments on StreamerBot. That was the thing that bothered me since I started. I was mainly focused on just Twitch because of the ease of use of the API. It was a lot more easier to use it. Actually, using the YouTube API was near damn impossible for me. So I was feeling like I was leaving out the YouTube chat for this entire process, and now I don't have to. You want it to be done by 4 a.m. Yeah, it is grinding. Yeah, welcome to the grind. I don't remember any game that I grinded like super hard ever. I don't really like grinding on video games. I like stories. And I like stories, and also I like Metroidvanias. Those are my favorite genres. Action, story, and Metroidvanias. You don't mind the grind, especially when it's not required 100% of the time? Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Can respect that. That's the thing. I do remember. It wasn't so much as a grind, but as it was sweaty as fuck. So for a while, I can say with certainty that I was 100% addicted to Apex Legends. Like, there wasn't a free moment that I was not playing that game. And the problem is, it was a love-hate relationship. Actually, the grinding is not required almost at all. It's pretty easy to get into game credits, and the grinding is only required if you want to be better. But stock is more than enough for the majority of things possible to do in Elite. I see, I get it. So yeah. Sounds like a nice game. I played Apex Legends for ever since launch, I think. And I hated that game most of the time. It was like, there were moments that were like pure adrenaline. Doesn't have a story if you're looking for that. Yeah, that's a problem. I kind of like to have a story in my games. I lose interest very quickly if they don't have that. But then again, Apex Legends doesn't really have a story. The thing is, I had to quit the game. I had to quit that game because it was ruining me. There's a lot to do, I see. Quit playing Apex Legends, haven't played it since. I kind of got into an MMO recently, Guild Wars 2, got into that, got to level 80, and then I fell off because everything was just behind a paywall after that, so haven't played that in a month or two. But yeah, right now... Oh, dude, League of Legends? Don't do that to yourself. Yeah, toxic as fuck. I tried to get into that game like maybe once or twice. Got yelled at probably every single match. And I was like, yeah, I'm good. You keep your game. I'm gonna do something else. But then I realized that I was being the toxic one in Apex Legends. When I realized that I was being a jerk, I had to quit. Yeah. Guilty. Like I said, I got really sweaty, man. I got sweaty as fuck on that game. And then I had to look at myself in the mirror and say, this is not good for you. You have to quit. Yeah, no, I was 100% the problem. But dude, go to sleep. You can play tomorrow. The game will be there. You can't. Oh my god. Are you like in the middle of a task and you just can't save until you're done? Is that what it is? Ah, I see. Yeah, in that case, good luck. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. You have 3 hours, come on. Keep at it. I'm gonna see if I can get this access token refreshed. I should start NPM. Should start Vite, first of all. I have to make this chat a bit bigger. Font is not great. Jesus! 598 tons of cargo. Yeah. You had to hold that. Hold it. Can I zoom in on this? My eyes are not as good as they were. There you go. That's better. All right. So. If I get an error here, I should be able to get response data error message. Did the response data have the code? I don't remember. I'm gonna start this thing. Wow, 40,000? Jesus. I can see why you can't stop. So that's running now. I need to, let's go to good old Chromies. Hey C Films, how you doing? I'm doing great, man. Glad to see you here. How you doing? Let's do this here, and let's go to... You're a little tired? Sorry to hear that, man. You gotta rest, you gotta rest. I should know. That was the whole problem. That's why I had to skip the pretty much last week, Monday and Wednesday. Dude. I felt like shit. My body passed me the bill and it was overdue. So yeah, I should know about being tired. Don't need the key anymore. No, you had to. I understand. There is, I know that there is no reason. There is no reason for it, but yeah, of course you have to do it. If you wanted it, you wanted it. Completely understand. There you go. So this is the data. Status 401. Dude, 6 to 7 hours. I can. Okay, we're in ads. So we're gonna take a break. We're gonna come back. But yeah, 6 to 7 hours. The last time I remember. The last time that I can remember when I played a game for that long. When was it? I think it was, yeah, it was the first time I purchased a, it was my first time having a PlayStation 4. Yeah, no, I see it. One of those times. Yeah, it was a long time ago. First time having a PlayStation 4. Came with The Last of Us. The first one, The Last of Us Remastered, and I finished that game in one go. That was my first, like, the first time I played a game like 6 hours, 8 hours straight. Got my tea, baby. Unfortunately, I am old, and if I try to do that again, it's not gonna be great. C-Film's website has gotten more web page index on Google. It's at 118 web pages out of 289. It's well, that sounds good, but I don't know. It is. Is it good? Is that like a good ranking? Yeah, I don't have the animations for the hydrate thing set up. That's another thing. I'm gonna make a note for that. Like I said, since I changed streaming setups, there are a lot of things that I need to get ready or like port over. No, I can still see it. So, not wasted. And that's the point, right? For me to hydrate. Yeah, you can spare 100 points. Channel point alerts, and what was the other thing? What was the other thing? There was another thing. What was the other thing that I mentioned that I didn't have? What was it? Oh well, I forgot. Screen chat, thank you. What it means is that 118 web pages out of 289 web pages are indexed. Last beginning of November, it was 30 web pages indexed. Oh, so Google goes through your website and index your web pages, and therefore they are more accessible for people who are searching on the internet. If that's the case, that's pretty cool. That's great, man. So November was 30. Right now it's 118. It's kind of slow, isn't it? All right, so we have this. This is in error response dot data. Tech. Yeah. If someone says Apple to me, I immediately think of phone. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, so I can probably say if error that means I should probably put this. What if I huh? I was thinking maybe call this recursively, but I don't want to run into situations where it fails once, and then I try again, and then it fails, and then I try and then fails, and try and fail, and I don't want to do that. So I would probably move this whole thing into its own function. Will that work? Let me try. Maybe I can replace this whole thing with... Wait, I need... Maybe I don't have to do the await here. Instead do it up here, await, attempt, subscription. Like that. And if I go here, is it working? Yes, there you go. I'm hitting that point right there. So everything is kind of working fine, I think. Oh, this is gonna keep popping up because of reverb, isn't it? Okay. In that case, I don't want to see that error. I'm just gonna start reverb on this side. Here we go. All right, cool. So now I can go back down where? Here. So when it says attempt, reattempt connection, first I need to pretty much do this. Actually, I'm gonna make another function. I'm gonna yank this, paste it, and let's call it refresh token. How do you, okay, how about we do auth token refresh like this, just another route, and that is supposedly do the refresh on PHP side and then respond with the newly created access token. We put it there. Refresh access token obtained. And then down here, we can call await refresh access token. Do I have to put this in try and see how I'm doing it here? Okay, so yeah, I have to do an await and then okay. So just wait for that to complete and then call this again. So we try once, we get an error. If the error status is 401, that means that the thing is expired. So we reattempt by refreshing the access token and then getting the response back. And for now, I'm just gonna console log the response. Yeah. Once we get a good response, we can then start handling this part over here where we have a message event, and that message event is of type notification. And wait, yeah, and then we can move on to handle reward redemptions, which is a function that I do not have currently, but we will. Oh, we have a problem here. Yeah, there is. Wait. Yeah, there is no route. Duh. Give me a second. All right, let's first, I do remember that at some point we created a piece of code or a code snippet that will refresh the token for us. I don't remember where that was. I guess I can just... Where was that? So on Twitch controller, we have this token here. Let me see. Oh, here it is, right there. If response status is 401, this is to refresh the access token. We pass the client ID, the secret, and the grant type is refresh token. And we pass in the refresh token that we already have in our Twitch account. So I can just use this then. Nice. Let me just grab all of that. Yoink. And then I'm going to create a new method down here. Let's call it refresh. Paste all of that. And I need that Twitch account. All right. So this means this has to be under authentication, which is fine. We moved the overlay under authentication, so that should work. Oh, no more team. Oh. Okay, so we get the Twitch account, we have a payload, we send the request. If the response is successful, or which might not be, So we are going to first handle the success part, which is here. We don't need that part. Hold on. I'm gonna do this. Let's get rid of that. And the access token is actually in Twitch account access token, which is already saved. So we're going to return that in the case of a good response. In the event of an error, what can we do? Just return an exception. Yeah, that should do. We're going to a board with a code, I don't know, 500, I guess. Okay. Now we need a route. Which means if I go here, let's clear the console and do a little refresh. Yay! Success! Look at that. Subscribe to Channel Point Redemptions. What is the response data? The status enabled, Channel Point Redemption Reward, version 1. Condition, transport type, everything should be okay. So that means that we have at this point, we have an enabled connection via WebSockets. So if I do, let me do this. I'm going to do it in this window here in this monitor. I'm going to redeem. I'm going to redeem one of those myself. And it should pop up in the console, I think. No, it's not, because I don't have the function. Okay, I'm gonna hold off. I need that function to handle the redemption. Hold on. I believe I had that already scaffolded in the other playground project. Let me go and I'll go ahead and open it real quick over here. And then do this and do that. And where is it? Where are you? Okay, here we go. It's not doing anything. It's just console logging, which is fine. Yoink. No, I can't do joink. Copy. And let's go back to show overlay. And let's put that function here. So we should see the username and the reward title. There's got to be more into that. I'm actually going to log also just the event itself, because there should be an event message somewhere in there that I can access then. So that's there. We are still total 5, max total cost 10. Oh, I can only do what? So I can probably only subscribe to like 2 channels? Huh, interesting. Curious. You have to be careful with the cost of your subscription. I guess that's all in the documentation, but yeah, if one is doing this, you have to look at the total cost and how much you can afford. So you can, depending on the subscription that you're looking for, it might be more or less. Brain is off. Should cost more or less. Anyway, Whatever. So yeah, and now I think I can just redeem it, right? Let me see. Boop. There it is. That was like that, by the way. Like instant. I clicked that button and I didn't remember that was running. Wait, was that SpeakerBot? Ah, yeah, it's SpeakerBot. So that one is also hooked into SpeakerBot as well. That specific channel reward. Either way, as you can see, we have the entire payload here, and there is where's the message? User input right there. And that was just instant. Like, I pressed the button and it showed up here immediately, which is quite nice, to be honest. So now all I have to do is, instead of... Okay, so the idea would be to, in the handle reward redemption, I can do something like wire handle reward event, and I can pass in the event data and pass that up to Livewire. It's gonna scream because there is no, well, doesn't seem to be screaming right now. So now we can go to the Livewire component, which, let me see. Which is this one, show overlay. And hold on a minute. No, that's fine. It's gonna be quite interesting, to be honest. All right, we are in an ad break. We're gonna take a break. I'm thinking since we already have everything piped or just created, I was thinking maybe just raise the same event as in, what was it, the Twitch controller? Yeah, this one. I'm gonna do that again. Hold on. I need to save that. Hey, welcome back. We are back from ads. I'm gonna redeem that again. And this time I'm going to save the object so I can reference it later. Okay, that's nice. How can I copy this? Can I just copy this? Copy object. There you go. So by looking at this, this is the webhook. So I don't remember why I'm doing this subscription type check, to be honest. Let me go and check that key. Oh, okay. But I guess if I were to decide on which event I'm reacting to, that'll be in the JavaScript code, wouldn't it? Message type. I'm gonna log this. Let me copy this one here. Actually, I'm gonna log the entire message. I'm just looking for when does it say the message type. System claim finished. Woohoo! But that's not gonna get progress tonight. Anyway, bed calls. Yeah, go to sleep. Good luck. Have fun. I'll pop in again at some point to know when. 07, my friend. Good job. Go to sleep. Oh seven chat. All right, so we have this. I'm gonna just log that entire message just to examine the entirety of the message, see if there is any information that contains the this part here. The subscription type. All right, I'm going to do one more of those over here. All right, so let me see. What do we have here? We have metadata. And that comes with the message ID, timestamp, message type, There it is, subscription type. That's what I'm looking for. And then the payload. That has the event, which we already have. All right. So, let me think. I'm trying to see if I can pretty much reuse this code from the controllers so that we can have something similar in the Livewire side. Config services, respond, invalid notification type, account ID, you just get that from the event. If there is a follow, do the enraging quote, and then raise that event. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna copy all of this. Yoink, and let's go back to show overlay right here. Now we need another function here called handle. What was it? How did I call it? Handle reward redemption. Where are you? WebSocket. Subscribe. Handle reward. Handle reward event. That's the name. This is not JavaScript, my friend. There you go. So instead of dealing with the request, we are going to deal with the event. But we are not sending the entire notification. So, okay, I have an idea. Let's just send the entire message here. And then on the logging, we do that and then pass the entire message into here. Then let's replace request. Okay, let's start by replacing request with event. See how that looks. In fact, I'm curious. I'm just going to DD for now, event. I just want to know if this is going to be an object or an array. Let's see. One more redemption. I'm sorry if I'm blasting your ears with those test messages, but we have to test. All right, we have an error here in promise. Cannot read properties of undefined reading title. And I didn't get anything on Livewire. Dang it. What? What is this? Cannot read properties of undefined reading title. Where am I reading title? Anywhere. Oh, here. So this ended there. Why? Message payload. Event. I did need the event. All right. Let's see if this works now. There it is. So it is actually an array, not an object. So in that case, let's go back to here. And instead of doing that, we're going to need, to get to the subscription type, we're going to go to payload subscription type. So it's going to be event. Oh, darn it, I lost it. It wasn't payload, right? And this is another key, so let's see if I remember. Y surround inside word with brackets. Yeah. Y surround inside word with, there you go. So it's payload subscription type. I'm gonna do that again. I'm sorry. I have to do this all the time. I need to copy that array structure this time around so I don't lose it. Let's see if I can copy this whole thing. Yeah, good. So the subscription type was payload. Hold on. The array, payload, subscription, type. So this part is good. Now, if that's not within the things that we're looking for, then it's going to respond with 400 error. And then the account ID should be in event. Why am I doing a get? Where's the user ID? Here. So it's in event user ID. So payload event user ID. Payload event user ID. Okay. All right, then the event type, null, message null. That's pretty much this. All right. If it is a subscription, a reward redemption, then we get the user input, which is again in event user input. So pretty much this whole thing. Like that. Event type reward. If event type is follow, no, it's basically if it's not this, it's that. Set the message to enraging quote. Then we raise this event. And then everything else falls as it should. But instead of doing this on a webhook, we are reacting to a WebSocket message. In fact, I am going to start the queue and watch it run. All right. And I can get rid of this DD and just let it run. Let it rip, let it run. I'm not going to see the overlay because the overlay is not set up in this OBS setup. But as long as I can see the queue handling the event, or all the events that need to be handled, I will be good with that. And I can then for Friday, I can set up the overlay on this side, which requires me to take all of this code and clone it in my Windows machine with my Windows machine, and just running that code locally on Windows so that the overlay will work, which is going to be a fun task for Friday. Just deploying everything on Windows, running it on Windows, and seeing the overlay pop. Also, we need to subscribe to another event via WebSocket for the follow. The follow, so we can have an overlay for follows, and I will probably have to get well, that enraging quote is going to be, maybe I can just get all of those messages. Yeah, I'm gonna take all of those messages. How can I do this? I'm going to have to disable the text-to-speech part of all of this, by the way. So all the code in PHP, or everything that, all the events and listeners and handlers on PHP, I don't need to do any text-to-speech on those anymore. So I'm going to have to disable that code so that the only thing that shows is an overlay with the avatar and the message. And the text-to-speech goes off in SpeakerBot. The good thing is the good thing about the follow messages, all the enraging quotes and the random quotes that we have for followers, is that I can take all of those strings and put them in StreamerBot. Maybe we can do that live on Friday. And there is a way for me to play a random message whenever someone follows and just choose from a different list of messages. And yeah, that'll be a nice, yeah, we can do that on Friday. I just want to see the queue pop right now, and that'll be pretty much the goal right now. So, okay, so we're subscribed. I'm gonna redeem, I think, the last one, if everything goes well. So I know this part works. I'm gonna keep this open. Nothing happened on the queue, which is not great. What happened? Ah, ooh. As always, what's the thing that always gets me? The imports. Son of a bitch. What did I forget? Twitch event received. Okay, all right. And the enraging quote too, I'm guessing, yeah. Import that class, and then import this class, and that should do it. We have 2 minutes for ads. I can do it before they go off. I'm gonna restart that queue. All right, let's try that again, shall we? Okay, last time, I swear. There it is. The listener.
Test message.
It went off. So I'm doing it twice, which is not great, but we'll take care of that. Everything is good. The overlay actually popped. We didn't see it, but it was here. The overlay popped and then marked it as played. Everything is just working fine. But now everything is popping off based on a notification that we received via WebSockets. which is cool. All right, so on Friday, what we're going to do is modify all of the code so that we don't do text-to-speech twice. So we only have an overlay. We're going to set that overlay on OBS on my Windows PC. We're going to deploy all of the code that I have written on my Windows PC and have it run it there so that everything runs locally on the Windows PC and we can have the overlays pop up. Also, we have to take care of the little detail, which is the avatars from YouTube, because right now I only get avatars from Twitch. I think I have an easy way to get avatars from YouTube, but we'll work on that when the time comes. And I think once we have that, that'll be pretty much the end of that. And we can move on to maybe play around with the WebSockets from StreamerBot. And maybe create a nice integration with that. And have our own overlays and notifications and alerts and everything. And we have 30 seconds before ads, so I'm gonna pause here for a moment. I'm actually gonna go use the bathroom and get some water, and I think we can transition into gaming. How about that? You ready, guys? We're gonna play some games. I want to play some games. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Be right back. Get some water. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm back. Oop. All right, let's see, how do we do this? Let me turn... I guess I can just turn this on real quick. Switch this guy. Last time I did this, the game was a little loud, so I'm gonna turn it down a bit. I think I can do that here. Hold on. Go to settings, game options, audio. Yeah, let's turn down the music actually. Maybe like that. Yeah. Maybe sound effects too. There. If it's too loud, let me know. Is it too loud? To me it is a little, but I don't know for you guys. I can see that we're like 80%, 80 something percent on the audio. Yeah, maybe that's a little too loud still. Let me turn it down a bit more. There. All right. So where were we? I think we killed the last boss from the first stage last time, and now since I didn't know how to open a few doors, there are certain places I can't get this to just yet, but I do remember. So the main objective is this one right there. But before I go in there, I want to go to all of these question marks that I marked at the beginning. And I do remember those are doors that I didn't know how to open, but I know how to open them now. So I'm going to go clear all of those sections before I move on into the new area. And I guess the fastest route would be to go back to... So I'm right there. Hand is just around the corner. What's over here? Don't remember. Let's go check. I think it was a closed door, maybe. Yeah, I think it was a closed door with a yellow thingy at the other side. But let me just double check. Oh, before I forget, I need to change the stream, the stream information. I have to do that right now. Give me just one moment. Oh, I have to do that in the other keyboard. Create a dashboard, stream manager, and then edit stream info, category, blasphemous 2, and done. All right. Cool beans. Yeah, that just as I thought. Okay, so I can't go through there. Let's just go back to the city. I'm gonna go into here, set my... Where's my chance? There. Choose the Mirbras of return to port. Wrong button. And just do this. Yeah, travel to the city. So from there, it's easier to go to the new areas. Let's see. Let's try and go this way first. So let's go up. Ooh, didn't quite get it. There you go. See? I couldn't do this. Is that marked? There is a baby somewhere over here. Where is the widow baby? Where's the widow baby? I don't see the widow baby. Maybe it's on this side. There is the widow baby. Bonk the widow baby. Now I have 8 of 33. Alright, so let's remove that mark. That's done. And let's keep going. Let's get to the save point. Alright. So from here, directly across. Let's see if that's something that I can open now. Oh, hello! Oh, I didn't know I could bonk the fireballs. Alright. Yes, so this door, I need a bell for this. There's gotta be one nearby. Where is the bell? Oh, it's down there. Okay. And how do I get down there? Wait a minute. So I can't get in there just yet. Probably have to go around and get in there from the left, I guess. There is a widow baby over there. Let's go bonk the widow baby. Oh, wait. There's a bell. I saw the bell. Hold on. There's the freaking bell. Alright. See if we can get this. Whoop. Bonk. Should open. There you go. Nice. Hey, turn around. I want to bonk you. There you go. Oh, shoot. So this is going to be a combination of two skills. First is going to be the bonk, the bell, sorry, and then have to switch to this guys. So let's do this. Bonk. And then 1, 2, 3. There you go. Immaculate Mother of what? What did I get? Immaculate Mother of Pearl Gouge. Metal blade with a pronounced curve. With it, sculptors... Oh, this is for the sculpture? Okay, sculptors carve and sculpt the wood with extreme delicacy to produce precise contours in their work. I have to give this to the sculptor, which is this guy right there. It's nice that now, in the previous version you didn't know this, but now whenever you have something new for the NPCs in the city, there's a little mark on them, which is nice. At least you know where you have to go. Alright. So there's that. I'm gonna unmark this secret here. There's another one there. Wasn't it the same? Yes, that was a bale too, wasn't it? Yeah. Let's just unmark that one. And let's go down in this way. See what's in there. And after that, we're gonna go bonk the widow baby. Yes, we want to bonk the widow baby. 2,000! Jesus Christ. I have to open this door from the other side. Okay. Oh, come on. I touched it. Horrible little creatures. Stop. Stop. Oh, come on. By the way, I need to change the chant. I don't like this one. There you go. And if you're not gonna turn around, I'm just gonna do this. Die! Thank you. So where is the widow baby? One level up. Do I want to save here? Let's save here. Oh, you! I hate you. I have a big one too. Look, I can bonk too. Bonk and bonk. You asswipe! Leave me. Oh, come on. Bonk. Yeah, bonk harder. And then I bonk you with your bonk. And you, get over here. Come on. Stupid little thing. Oh, this was the tower. This is the tower that I need to come back to. Here's the big baby. There's the big baby. And for every widow baby that I bonk, I have a platform. So I have all of this now. But I need more. I need 30 more. 30 something more.
Help us by freeing more brothers, and we shall reveal to you what the tower holds at its highest point.
Shall do. You horrible, horrible little baby. Actually, it's not horrible. It's just big, chunky. There are worse things, so I'm gonna leave that marked. That door over there was closed. And I have a chest down there that I haven't checked. Actually, it's not a chest, it's just a chalice. How do I open that? Please go away. Thank you. So it's from down there. Ooh, shoot. Okay. Is it this way? No. I don't have to do this. Fuck, I already did. I already did that acrobacy. Now I just have to come this way and bonk you. Actually, I have a thing now. Wait. I have a new ability. What? How? What? How? So press R. That's not it. So R after an attack. Press R after an attack on the ground to convert it into a powerful horizontal strike that turns Veredicto on or off. Let's see if I can do that. So I do bonk and nope, didn't work. What? Am I doing it wrong? Should be this one. Ow. There you go. Booyakata. Oh, I can't get this. Well, there's a yellow thing over there that I can't get just yet. So this one stays, I guess. Can't get that chest over there. Okay. Alright, let's keep going that way. And then go over there. Okay. So all the way to the left and down. Two for one, baby. You shut up. Ah. Okay, I got that one. How do I go down from here? Oh, from there. Okay. So I need to go up a little bit more. Alright, from here, can't go past that, so how about this way? Hop, and hop, hop, parkour! And then I fall down from this one? There's no other way. Yeah, okay. I can see the bale down there. How about if I fall down? So that bale is for me to go up again. But right now I need to go down this way. And then down one more. Oh, forgot about that. Ugh. Yep. There you go. That would have been bad. From here we go down, right? Okay, so how do I need a bell. So I need a bell to open this to manifest those two platforms and then ground pound to open that door. I'm gonna save here just in case. Where is the bell? Is it on this side? No, it was up there. Okay. Oh, this is gonna suck, isn't it? No, you won't. Let me kill all these birds here. You go away. Oh my god, I can't go back. You son of a bitch. Can't go back. Unless there is a bell here. Okay, so can use this. That's alright. Oh, that's the bell. Alright. It's not gonna suck as much. Ah! Okay. Better timing. Let's do that again. Go, 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 go. Gotcha. Alright, that'll be how many? 2,000 Tears of Atonement. I have 28,000 right now. I feel like the currency this time around is a lot more busted. Don't remember having that many tears in the first game. All right, let's that's done. All right, and let's see if we can clear more of this center area here. I see the bale down there. And this thing opens on a timer. But I can't get up there because of those thingies that I don't know how to activate just yet. Oh dear God. No, no. Ah, fuck me. Huh. Where's the bell? Is it on this side? Yes. How can I get all the way up? Oh, okay. Okay, that opens this door. Shortcut, baby. Alright, that's that. But I need to ground pound this side. Can't do that because there is that part over there that is locked. Alright, I'm gonna try and go that way using the bell. It's gonna be tight. This is gonna be tight. Come on. Alright. Okay, so now I have to go back, but that door's still gonna be closed. I can't do it because of the yellow thingies. Damn it. Actually, no, maybe not. Ooh, that was close. Okay, so I got... had to cross the others to the other side. Damn it! I think that platform over there is the one that is going to give me the access. So I have to go do that again. Okay. Okay. Got it, I got it. So let's do, let's do you, bonk. Wait, hold, now. And then do you. And then bonk. Ooh, Jesus, that was close. And then up, and come on. There you go. And now I have a stair. Shortcut, baby. And then... how do I get this up and running? How do I move this up? How do I move that up? Oh, there it is. There is a statue right above me. So I have to go up this way. Oh, I hate you. Oh, come on. Woo! Oh, there's another door over there. Nice. So get the platform up. Okay. And I need another bale. Oh, there's a widow baby. Wait a minute. So what do I do now? Oh, okay, so I come here, bonk this, go up. This side, 1, 2, whoop. And then this side, here, and cross. Now I can bonk the widow baby. There you go. And okay, now I can open this one. If I do this. Oh, come on. Down. 3 at once. Nice. Love to see it. Another bell. Come on, this is getting annoying. Switch to this. Got the feeling there's going to be spikes down below. Nope, no spikes. But there's that blue thingy that I don't know what to do with that. Bummer. Let's mark that with a question mark. And what is down here? Bonky bunker. This is a different area altogether. Okay, so still there is a question mark here. Let's see if we can open this one. And that question mark was this, I think. Wasn't it? No. Oh no, it's this one. Okay. Open. Oh, for fuck's sake. I said down. Oh, gotta do it from up here then. Nice. Let's clear that mark. And let's go this way, I guess. No, this way. Oh, chicken wings. Hello. Oh, cool. Another chest. Nacimiento. That'll be a statue. What does that do? Collection. Where are you? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Improves the effects of the bile flask, so I get more healing. Oh, we're gnats. Didn't notice. Okay, we're gonna take a break. How many marks do I have? I think I used them all. No, I still have 14. I should go to the sculpture so I can get more those last 2 slots and then equip a few more statues. See if I can get a connection on this too as well. Right now I'm running with 10% overall damage, 10% damage when low guild, 10% increased magical damage, I think. Don't remember what this was. Yeah. We're gonna have to do some building. I can't get to that part. Can't jump that high. So I guess this is it on this side. Let's go check that question mark. Hey guys. Alright, I need a bale for this. No, you won't. There's gotta be one in this room. Unless this opens from the other side. Which is totally possible. Oh, wait. Oh, come on. Where is the bell in this room? Didn't see any. There's actually no bell. Yeah, nope. Alright, let's keep going right. Left, actually. Weird. So yeah, this is the save point. Why is there no bell and why can't I see any other way into this section here? Unless I can get into it from down here. But I think that is a closed door. And I didn't see this. What was that about? I gotta go back. Was that a door that I unlocked and I didn't clear the mark? Probably is. Oh, what's up here? You see this? That's a secret. Feels like a secret. Huh. Is there a mirror up there? No? How do I get up there? Maybe I have to get there from above? I feel like it's down here. Can I just... Is there a place I can jump down? Doesn't look like it. No. Huh. This is weird. Oof, it's getting cold in here. This is weird. There's a whole block in here that I can see. I can see the walls. That little corner right there. But I have no way to get into that. Fine. I didn't even want to know. Oh, god damn it, my memory. I just marked this because it is a blue thingy. Okay, so there's a whole section there I haven't really explored. There's a chest over there. There's an unopened door there. Where do I go first? Yeah, let's go here. That area over there is just not complete. Not this side. Why can't I get to you? Open. Wait, is that? That's... yeah, that's what it is. Just keep going. Just keep going. Alright, let's save here. I don't remember this. Ah, I think this is the starting area. Yeah, this is the starting point. This is where I woke up. There might be some new things here now that I have more weapons. But let's just make sure I can't get up there because I can't jump that high. Anything here? Nope. Okay. And nope, that's it. Nothing else. It's just a place that I can't get to due to my lack of jumping strength. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. That means we need to go over here. And in fact, I'm just gonna go to the city and use the hand. I'm not gonna make the trek back. That way I can go to the sculptor, open a new slot, give him the relic that I found, see what happens.
Pray, how can I assist thee, penitent one?
Hand over the tool.
This gouge, as precise as it is delicate, is unquestionably the most suited to this noble wood. Know that you have my gratitude, penitent one.
Is that what I have? Just gratitude? Cool. Okay, so open increase altarpiece capacity, please. I have 0. Great. Yeah, I used all of those points in new abilities, so nope. That's not gonna happen. I do want to see if there is a better combination of these two. Physical damage inflicted, that I want. 10% damage inflicted, that's good. Increases the damage inflicted when the guild level is low. I don't think that's doing much to me right now, so let's see if there is... There's nothing in this section though. I have those two equipped. Increases the window of time to perform a block. That'll be interesting to have. Increases the strength of Ruego de Alba, which is one of the weapons. Recovers health after an execution. Improves the effects of the bile. I feel like I need this one though. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one. So 10% increased damage and 20% increased bile efficacy. So I heal 20% more on each bile, which is great. I think that's all.
May the hands of the miracle guide thee, penitent one.
By the way, just before I go,
Pray.
can I give you... Nope, I have nothing else to give.
May the hands of the
Yeah. Let's go talk to the hand. Actually, well, no. Usually if I had something to use here, it'll be a mark. But there is a question mark there. And a question mark here. That's because of the yellow thingy. Let's check that one, the one below. I don't remember that one. No. Just fall. Thank you. Wrong place. Wait a second. Over here. Okay, so it's a bell, but nothing I can open from this side. And what are you? The Blood Lady. Oh my god, what the... Jesus Christ, what are they doing to you? I don't have, do I have chalices?
I shall wait for thee.
No. Or receptacles.
Bring me more vials.
Yeah, okay. You should look at that hand of yours. I don't think they're babies, those
Bring me
babies.
chalices.
Yeah, just stay away from those babies. Jeez. Okay, so no, I can't open that just yet. It's gotta be opening from... Oh, maybe I can go this way and just check on this. Yeah, let's go there. There's a chest that I haven't opened. This way, just one more and down. Gosh darn it. Okay, there's that. I don't remember what that was. Just die, please. Oh, you son of a... How dare you touch me? Oh, it's that, but I have to come from above. See if I can... Oh, you little... I kill you! Yeah, I can't get there. It's too high. Okay. But I can see that there is another widow baby. We can go bunk. Oh. I can't get to those yet. The problem with this area is that there are bridges that are made of crystal. And I can't jump on those and they're not timed, so as soon as I touch them, they dissolve. Oh, forgot about you. And the widow baby is up there. Okay, there's another question mark up there. Let's go check it out. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, come on. Ah, I can open this now. If I can do it right. Okay. I think we finally can see what those yellow things are. If I could open this door. Come on, where's the bell? Please give me a bell. Where is the bell? Is it down here? There it is. Bonk. What are you? A lump of gold. For what? Ah, another NPC that I haven't found. Great. Usually dull, ugly gold nugget. Usually dull, ugly gold nugget. That's a tongue twister, isn't it? Usually dull, ugly gold nugget. Small creases and pores can be found on its surface, implying that it may have been part of a larger face once punished by the miracle. Okay, cool. So we have one of those. Don't know what they do. I can clear this mark now. Thank you. Let's go check that chest. Closed door. Okay. So we have to come from this side. We have another question mark close by. Let's go and check. Just die, thank you. Alright, where is it? Guess I can come from above. Let's come from above, actually. Oh, can't do that. What hit me? Oh, it was you. Stupid little bird. Alright, let's go here. Watch your head. Jesus. Eaten by their own birds. Oh, come on. Alright. Should be near. Next room down. Oh, what are you doing? Ow, 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 ow! Are you just stealing health? What is it? I don't know what you do. Alright, this way down. Here we go. So, whoop. Why was this? Oh, the blue door. Damn it. Ah. I can just spin it. Ow, mother. Okay. That almost got me. Alright, so that's a blue thingy. Don't know what that's for. There's another one there, right there. Okay. You mother... Okay. Ooh, that was close. You again. I don't really know what this guy does. It's not really taking any health. Or is he? I just don't see it. Oh, okay. Alright, what do we have here? Save point, thank you. Ah, the glass bridge. Can't get through that. Meh. Meh, 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 meh. Okay, so we have a few more sections down here that we can go check. No, I actually already checked those. I think those are just locked doors. Same as this one. So nothing there. How about up here? Did I check up there? Crown Towers. Feels like I did. Yeah, I think I did. So that leaves me with nothing. Oh, maybe. Okay, so this section here. Let's go over here. Use the hand. Yeah, that's the last part, and that's the widow baby, big baby. And yeah, just 3 more sections, and then new area. Ozatbek, sorry I ignored you, man. I just saw your message. How you doing? Thank you for joining me if you're still here. I was just logged in the game. By the way, if anyone in chat, if you ever want to call for my attention, TTS is free now. So you just have to do exclamation point say or exclamation point S, both on YouTube and Twitch, and you can trigger the text to speech and actually get your message. Let your voice be heard if I don't react to your message right away. So that way you can call for my attention real quick. And we're nuts. We're gonna take a break. Little break. Hydrate. I guess I can just get moving to the hand real quick so that we don't waste time. I gotta say, I am impressed by how much more bandwidth I am seeing on the Windows PC. Having OBS just streaming, I guess, really helps with the bandwidth, because right now it's transmitting about 10,000 kbps, and I couldn't get more than 5 when I was streaming from my Mac. So yeah, that's good. All right, let's go. We're gonna go up here and we're gonna check those places, unknown places, and then head over to the new area, hopefully. Alright, so first, let's check this blue mark. I'm guessing that is a blue door. No, it's actually a bell. Okay, so we should look for a bell somewhere around here. There it is. Okay. Bonk you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another bale. 1, 2. Oh, for fuck's sake. Interesting. So yeah, I can't go there. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. I can't go there because, yeah, this is glass. Alright. So that stays. Let's go up and around. Okay. I have been to that place actually. I have been here. The interesting thing is the clothes of the old woman. I thought I had that already in my inventory. Yeah. I don't know why it goes away. Huh. Interesting. And I already know that I cannot give it to the old woman because I already gave the other piece of equipment. No, actually I did. Huh. That's... yeah, that's weird. When I gave that to the brother died, and then the old woman is just the only one left. Oh, there's a veil over there. Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, so is this way? This way. Yes, let's go this way. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Ugh. So I've been there. I have to go down. Really? No warning, just like that? Oh, hey, hi. I remember you. Cool. Alright, let's do this and go up like this. Bum bum. And done. A broken bale. Increases resistance. No, that's not what it is. Slightly increases resistance to magical damage. Great. I still don't know how to increase my slots on the rosary. Okay. So we can mark that off. Think. Right? Yes. No? Wait. That's not it. What's it? You ass! Stop doing that. There's another question mark round below. I haven't been here, by the way. What? Another one of those. Oh, there's a door right there. Let me open it. That one, thank you. Alright. That was a question mark. Okay. Oop. Come on. There you go. I'm actually gonna mark this with blue, so that I know that it's either a blue door or a crystal bridge. You have acquired Rosa of what? It's a small chant. Rosa of the 3 stars launches a spreading volley of short-range projectiles inflicting fire damage. Oh, cool. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Like it. Nice. What is this? Because I haven't been there. Can't go up. It is just a chalice anyway, so cool. Anything else? I guess down there, I guess that's just a locked door, maybe. And there is one over there. Let's go across. Bell. Oh, for fuck! Oh, damn it! You are annoying. Okay. Keep going. Ow. I have to go up one. Can I go up this way? Yeah. And then down and left. I see you. I did not see you. Okay. Slight problem though, I can't go up until I open this door. So, yeah. Why haven't I been there? Let's go find out. Is that a closed door too? Don't know. You asshole. Wait, so down, okay. I'm in a rush. No time for this. Meh. Wait, up and left. Huh. Okay. All right. I think I know why. Oh, you ass. Wait. Get over here. I need you to get over here. Okay, just walk away. That's fine too. Alright, here's where I got another weapon. It never went this way, which is weird. What in the name of... Hey, bird. How you doing? I'm just gonna, you know, just get in here. I'm gonna close the door. You do you. Where am I? Oh. Bird elevator. Handy. Thank you, birdie. Oh. So there are dead birds here. And we can open this, I guess. I guess not, because I can't jump that high. What in the name? Well, that sucks. When am I gonna get a double jump? Huh? 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 When? 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 Okay, so we're going back. That was a waste. Can't get up there either. Which sucks. Oops, wrong weapon. Is there anything else I need to do here? I guess not. Well, what was that? Down there? I was just there. Well, if I was just there and there was nothing there, then that's it. I guess there's nothing else to do other than go here. So let's go ahead and do that. You ass! I hate those guys. Okay, save here. And now we go up the stairs, into the ceiling, call the lift, and onto the new area. Oh, hello. You have something for me?
The upper reaches of our city, once unreachable and unfathomable, have descended. Countless legends tell of the many secrets that the heights have hidden and laid watch over for seeming eternities. Can it be the city that prostrates itself before so many parishioners, beckoning us to witness the birth of the child more closely?
That's what I have to stop, by the way. The birth of the child.
What holiness lies before us? Cast your eyes upon our shop window.
Sure thing. What do you have? Ill-fated cord increases resistance of miasma damage. I have no space for it, but I want it. Give me.
We have no more items. Pray, come.
Sure, sure, sure. Okay. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. I said we're going up. Woo! Alright, now what? Left or right? Left or right? Left, left. I guess we're going right. Wait, let me mark this. The question mark now means closed door. Oh, handy. You're new. What was that? Okay, can't fall down that way. Let me go all the way to the right. A bunch of rolling heads. Oh, it's you, isn't it? Ow, you ass. Stop. Alright, can't go up that way. Let me go this way. Can't go that way because of that thing. Wow. Oh, there's an elevator there. With a lever. Alright, I guess I can open this. Oh, come on. For now. And that's it. Or is it? There's a locked door here, I can bet. Because there is a chest. Yes, thank you. Shortcut, baby. A blood-stained chain link. What's that for? Increases resistance. No, that's not it. I keep reading the right side is the left one. Increases resistance to projectiles. Wait. Oh, god damn it. I can't go up. Alright. I guess I have to go to the city again. Climb my way back once more. Interesting that that's just one way. A one-way street. Is it me or is it a little janky? Like the frame rate. Yeah, I don't know what's doing that. You asshole. Okay. Can I break those? Oh, come on. Yes, I can. All right, let's go this way. What? All right. So, okay, so I have to open this door, I'm guessing. We change weapons. You have to kneel here. That raises that up. Okay, alright, alright. Have to go this way and then up this way. Switch to this. Bonk that. Oh shit. Oh, come on. Alright, again. So it's this, and then that, and then this again. Ooh, barely. Oh, no, no, come on, I forgot. Wow, I have to change that 3 times? Okay, okay, I can do this. All right, so let's do this, and then that, and then this, bonk, and then this. Oh, shut up. No! This is kind of hard. But I will do it. Alright. There you go. No, don't do that. Ow, what? This guy's hit really hard. Oh, one of you? Okay. Oh, hi, Bonky Bonk. You're a fire one. Okay. I feel robbed. I hate you. See, that one hit took almost half my health. I wonder. Okay, that's close. That's gonna be a shortcut back. Keep doing that. Don't want to do that. And now... Now this guy. Hold on. Gotta change something here. Come on. Really? Oh, you... Wow. That guy hits like a truck. No! Oh, come on! We're on ants and I didn't notice. Okay. I was careless. I was a little reckless. Just gotta be more careful this time around. Welcome from the ad breaks. Sorry I didn't notice. Thank you for that. All right, all right, all right. I can do this. I can do this. Oof, that was close. No, no, no. No, you won't. All right. Let's do this. Oop, shit. Try to get my stuff and didn't let me. Just hit me. There. No? Okay. Go around. Okay. That's good. Up. Turn around. There you go. There you go. That was easy. Bonk you in the head. What's happening? Oh, shit. This is horrible. Oh, come on. Stop it. I'll deal with you. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Ugh. I hate you all. More? Great. What are you? Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Yeah. That was tough. This is tough. The whole walk back is the thing that is getting me. Oh, Jesus. And the fact that everything hits like a truck in here. You know what? This makes me think that maybe I should not be here just yet. And maybe I should be exploring this area. There's more map. Remember this was a little tough before? Maybe it's less tough now. And there's also this part right here I haven't really checked. So maybe we should explore more before getting back to this area because it's a little too tough. I'm dying way too quickly. And that tells me that maybe I should not be there. What is this? I don't even remember what that is. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back and use the hat and go here, explore this area a little bit more. There are 2 chests over there. 3 chests in this area. Maybe I can get a little stronger. I'm gonna pop in here just to get rid of my guilt.
New shoots spring forth, penitent one.
Yeah, I can see that.
Their thorns scratch and burn my flesh, creating new shadows before my visionless eyes.
Sorry about that.
But I will not depart, for thus was my purpose set down. So,
Yes.
so be it. The sacrament has been completed. Now go in peace.
Yeah, let's go here. Yeah, there was whole sections of this map that I didn't really explore. Let me save here. Hello. What's happening here?
May those who seek seclusion enter.
Hi.
Miracle, thee who possess the keys to open all things, and the hands to lock them, welcome thine servant. Penitent one, thee who comest in search of the morning behind our black veils, find my daughters, and snuff out the light of the candles that accompany them. Only then will you be able to enter into their morning.
What daughters are you talking about? Have not found any of those.
The vigil is not yet ready. And find my daughters and put...
I guess, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Okay, don't know what that was for, but it was a thing that happened. We saw it. And what are you?
When
nice hat.
Darkness descends on my tiles, my lanterns awaken. It is their light that protects us in this shadowy corner full of old rosaries.
Are you gonna give me more rosaries?
My name is Sagrario. Not
Yes!
rosaries
Thank
is my
you.
penance. And I cannot serve a more virtuous cause than thine own, penitent one. If you give me the knots,
I have nuts.
I shall increase the mysteries of your rosary, so that they might fill thee with consolation. Do you have rosary nuts, penitent
I do.
one?
I do have rosary nuts.
Now,
I have 2.
Let my hands knot a new mystery on your rosary.
Thank you. All right.
Your rosary now treasures yet another mystery.
I have another.
Do you have rosary nuts?
Yes.
Now, let my... Your rosary now treasures yet another mystery.
So you have 2 more candles. And I have 2 more slots. Got it. Okay. Alright, let's see. What do I need? This increases resistance to miasma. That'll be interesting. Resistance to projectiles. Resistance to lightning, fire. Traps. More tears. I'm gonna do more physical damage because I'm getting way too much damage from those enemies. I'm gonna do that and fire. And miasma. Which is poison. Okay. And I think that's all the nuts I have, don't I? Where's that? Key items. Yeah. No more nuts for me. Alright, thank you. And going up. Maybe not. I can't get that far. Come on. Barely. Yeah, but that's as far as I get. So I can't go up. Need more jumping. So let's go down. Right? Yeah. Let me guess. There was a blue door somewhere here. Oh, shit. Okay. Just die. No, it's just wow, that's a big gap. How am I supposed to get there? Okay, never mind. Not that way. And what were you? I don't remember you. Let's go check that out. There's a door next to it. Oh, this little hand. All right. What were you looking for again?
Bestow upon me your fervent kisses.
Fervent kisses. Have none. Okay. Got it. Can't check this area. Or can I? Oh, you ass. Hate you both. Oh, stop. Alright, that's another section that I can't get through because of lack of jump. Got it. Hate these things. There's a chest here. That I cannot get. Got it. Okay. There's a way down there. Haven't explored that. Ooh. Careful. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, Anderson. You are indeed amazing. Mother of Mothers. This is a new area. Alright, I'm gonna find a save point here in just... so we can end it. Oh, you... I remember you. Another mark, thank you. Ow. Come on, give me a save point. Please. Oh. Thank you. Yeah, okay. We're going to explore this area next time. I'm hoping I get more keys, maybe a double jump, something, because I'm missing a lot of stuff. All right, let me switch to here. Maybe. Oh no. I'm gonna go here. And then back to here. All right. That was fun. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you had fun just as much as I did. And let's see who we can raid. Who is on today? Let me check. Oop, actually, I'm gonna do this. Switch keyboards. There you go. Oh, someone else is playing Blasphemous too. Script AU. And they are... I don't know where they are. Oh, they're in the city. Huh. Stop it. Yeah, we're gonna grade that guy. I don't even... Well, no. Moves up to... Let me check this. Just give it a quick look-see. No. He's like... not even, doesn't even have face, doesn't even talk. Doesn't look like a good experience. Let's just go to Moohoodles. We are going to click here, give it a chance because it looks like, no, she's back. Okay. We're gonna do the raid now. And again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found any of this helpful or entertaining. If you haven't done so already, follow me on Twitch, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.